Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing this cool light. This is a Starry Projector light, and this gives like really cool effects on your wall and all the way in your room. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and then see how it looks and see what comes inside the box. Okay, right off the bat you see this nice manual, which is always needed. It does have a remote control, so it tells you how to use light. Okay, this is the nice small remote control, so you can control this if you're away from the light. It's coming with some ribbons. Okay, so this is a cable, and then we have our night light. So let's see. Nothing else is inside the box, so that's all we have. We roll the box away. Okay, so this is the actual light, and let me show you what exactly do we have in here. So we can see this has the Bluetooth speaker, so you can play music and things like that. You can turn it on and off. It just takes a regular cell phone charger port, 5 volt 2 amps. It needs to be feeding at least 2 amps, so don't use one of those smaller cell phone ones. You probably want to use like a iPad charger or something like that. And that's your volume. You can also charge. I think it takes a USB. It's pretty cool. That's a speaker, and this is the projector light. So, and this is what you can use to feed it. So if you have something next to you, or even from your TV or something, you can feed it. And it's your remote control, so it probably takes several batteries. So it does not come with batteries. You have to get the 2 AAA batteries for that. Alright, so we're going to turn this on and see how it looks. Okay, so I plugged it in and just took a regular iPad charger and turned it on. So here's the remote control, and I'm controlling it. There are different ways you can do it. You can turn that. So there's a light, LED light right here, and then there's a laser light, which is right here. So we're going to go ahead and turn this LED light off, and this is the laser. And guys, this is just amazingly beautiful. This all on my roof, and it looks like literally looks like a magical show. And my son is sitting right here, and he's loving his room. So you can turn the laser light off, and now we can turn the light on, which is the LED light basically. And there's a motor over there that you can move, and you can see this thing looks like it's moving. It looks like you're inside of water or something, And there are different colors that you can turn into. Red, this blue, white, or you can just turn green. And this thing is just amazing. You can change the speed of the thing moving. There's a motor in there. You can stop it if you like. You can freeze it just like that. So there's a pretty cool feature. And again, if you want to have a combination of both laser and the LED, you can have both. It gives you a nice combination. And I love the laser feature. I mean, it's just pretty darn good. You can probably see this is the laser thing basically right here. Yeah, this thing is pretty darn good. The only thing you have to be careful is don't look into that laser. That can damage your eye. So you have to be very extremely careful. Keep it away from kids. You definitely don't want them to look into it. Could be very dangerous to the naked eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on. So there you can see, even with the light on, if you're having a party or something, you can turn the laser on and just keep it on. It gives it like a nice spotted thing on the wall, you know. Just still pretty cool. And to turn it off, you can just power it off. You can power it off. Very easy. This one does also pair up with the Bluetooth, so you can play music if you want. I can't really play music on this because I'm recording with my iPhone. Plus, if I play music, it's probably copyrighted, so I can't really play it on the YouTube. But it's very easy to pair, you know. There's a very good instruction on the instruction manual. It shows you how to pair up with the radio, and you know, you can just play any music on this. So I think overall it's a great device. You know, I'm glad I purchased it. You know, it's amazing, very cool. So definitely, hopefully you guys like it. You know, if you like it, guys, you know, this is the name of the company. If you guys want to buy it, I got it from Amazon, BSLED. There are different versions of it. You know, this is one that works pretty good. So I'm kind of glad I purchased this one. Works out great. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.